look at my
suitcase, very pinky. Unfortunately, we have to sit until 1 hour before flight, and then we'll get to know if we can fly or not.
This is our boarding pass, and this is a passport.
Yes,
so
we are ready to go. We are super late. He got very good seat.
I like what I see. I see what I. One of our main reasons to come to Italy, it was about to find our old farm from our grandfather, and we want to know where did it go and where who took it. Like it was gold. The farm was very famous.
We are in Milan.
Look at this place. We are going to have pizza.
We're living in beautiful Airbnb, and my beautiful girlfriend started it. And this is my brother, who ready to explore the city. Our faces are very sleepy, but it's gonna be okay. Just a few minutes. Let's go in the street. See you, Piccolo. We're on the line. Who's on the line? We are on the line in one of the famous places in Milan, Luini, from 1888. Oh my God. Oh.
Tomato mozzarella one.
I love it. Ooh, go, 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 go.